Everyone. So it is really important for you to practice your phone number with your child, depending on their ability level. There are lots of different ways to practice this. You can do it on a piece of paper, a dry erase board. There are printables. So one way, we're going to do just an imaginary phone number. You start with your area code, so 954. Make sure you do it in little chunks. Let's do 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So chunking it up like this is a good visual when you're first starting with them. If you think about a tune to a little song, Frere Jacques is a good one. So you say the first three numbers and then have them repeat it back to you. So you go 954 and they repeat back 954 555 555 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then press green, then press green. And I say green because most of the time on a phone, there will be some kind of a square or a circle that has some kind of a little phone icon. Goodness, my drawing is not so good there, but you get the idea, and it's usually a green kind of button. So just that little repeating back, that is one idea. Next, I'm going to show you, we're going to take an egg carton. We're going to flip it upside down and we are going to cut the bottom up and then we're going to make some numbers. Let me show you. So now that we cut all of our pieces apart, now you can figure out how you want to attach them, what you want to attach them to. So I'm thinking just attach them right onto here, and I just have a thing of tape. You could get some kind of glue. You could glue them onto maybe a box, a shoe box, something like that. So you're just going to take your pieces and figure out some kind of way to tape them on. Okay, and so we're going to place them just like the phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here we go, 10 11 12. Okay, so then tape those down. Okay, after you have them taped down, then get some kind of a crayon or a marker, and we're going to put our numbers on here. So we've got 1 2, and these have a little indentation on them, so they're a little hard to write on, but it's just the idea. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then we've got our 0 right here down in the middle. Then you've got your little star, and you got your pound. And if you really want to get fancy, you could add some kind of a button down here. It could be even maybe some kind of a bottle cap, and you could even color it green if you want to. That one is the send or the call button. Okay, so then again, you're just going to practice with your child again and chunking it up. So just tell them like those three numbers at a time. So 9 5 4, then the 5 5 5, and 1 2 3 4, and just have them practice in those little chunks slowly. This was a dry erase marker, so mine are gonna wear off, but that's okay. You just write them again and practice. This one is fun because they can touch it and push the buttons, and don't have to worry about actually calling anyone. But this is just another fun way to practice your phone number with your child. So have fun with that. Another way to practice your phone number, this one is a little smaller. If you have a large wall or even a door, you can put these numbers on paper plates, and then it's even bigger and more interactive. I'm going to show you a picture so that you can see what that looks like. Take a look. If you don't have the egg carton, again, you can maybe draw the boxes for your child to practice on a piece of paper or this dry erase board. Take a look. So again, they can just touch 9, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to print them on the computer, very similar to the paper plate on the wall idea is one that you print some squares a little bigger, again, getting that full body into it. You can print them and put them up on a door or on a wall. So here's a visual for you. Take a look. And another fun idea, again, making it big, is to print it up some way and put it down on the ground. You could do it with sidewalk chalk, or you could make a big phone for them to, step and jump on the numbers. Here is a picture to give you an idea. So just have fun practicing your phone number with your child. Chunk it up into the 3 digits for the area code, the next 3 digits, and the 4 digits. This might take a while, but just keep at it. Very important. So have fun. Take a look at this last idea and have a great day.